I am currently evolving a cave. Welcome to a tutorial with NightCafe. Hi guys, so I am really loving the Stable Diffusion version of NightCafe. Now if we scroll all the way down, this was supposed to be a snake made of sweet corn, which looks more like a squash banana. The ones that I did like were Stonehenge, realistic Stonehenge, monoliths. They turned out alright. This was supposed to be a hyper-detailed Superman house. It just wasn't. So here today I'm going to provide a short tutorial on how to use Stable Diffusion's version of NightCafe. So basically, you need to create an account. To go to nightcafe.studio, click on create, and then it takes you into how to start your first creation. Obviously I'm already in there. As you can see, I'm messing around with caves at the moment, but I will go back to the sweet corn snake just to see the difference in the quality. So once you're in my creations, go to the top right hand side and click create, and you get these four options. Now previously you would get the coherent or artistic under one option, so you would click to do text to image, then it would give you the coherent or artistic option, then it would take you down to the create. But they've now split these two versions up, added Stable Diffusion, kept style transfer. Style transfer is just a case of choosing an image. You can select from your own library of images that have been created within NightCafe, but it will only let you do creations from NightCafe. So for instance, if you didn't like any of these, you can delete. There you go, like that. Or you click on free images and you can search. So if I search for a cave, there we go, I could potentially choose this one. You can choose a second image. So I'm going to do neon creature. Beautiful. Click on choose. Then I'm going to mash these two together. Now the incredible thing about this is it's extremely quick. The important thing to remember as well, these images are in low res. You can actually enhance the detail, so you can expand the pixels of the image and it will smooth it out for you. As in with this image here, I've actually increased the resolution by 4 times, and then I've gone and evolved the same image. So this one is taking slightly longer, but it is mashing 2 images together rather than text to image. Just while that one is creating itself, I'm going to go back to text to image. I'm going to do 2D creatures living in a 3D world of caves and structures. I'm going to make this one cyberpunk and just use 1 credit. So this image is still being created. Untitled, I can't change the title yet. Okay, Neon Cave, save. Just see what that one brings back. Back to my creations. This one's still queued. Now, just while this is all doing it, so if you click on your profile picture on the top right hand side, you've got credits. If you click on credits, you can buy more or earn credits. If you click on earn credits and do these tasks, you can get 3 credits on a daily basis. Also, you do get 5 credits every day for free. So my creations. So this is what it's brought back from the caves. So what it's done really is mashed up the first image, but given it the shape of the cave, if you can see there. So not brilliant, but this is what I'm after. 2D creatures living in a 3D world. Now I'm going to evolve the creation, but it didn't really work with Cyberpunk, so I'm going to delete that image and I'm going to go with I don't like, I've used horror before. Surreal is just like normal art, so let's go sinister. I'm going to go sinister or cosmic. Let's go cosmic first, and it's usually these text to image ones that work really fast. So 2D creatures living in a 3D world of caves and structures, and it's with Stable Diffusion. Short turnaround time, but it will give you a lower resolution. Again, just scrolling through, this was a cave. This was literally apocalyptic cave. Really nice. This was an apocalyptic mountain cave with lights living inside, foggy and yellow-green themed with no trees. I did that because this one brought back the trees, which was really nice, but it wasn't quite what I was after. So I had the trees removed, and then it brought back this one, which was a bit more sinister. Okay, here we go. So here is a creature, what actually looks like living in water. But these are caves and structures. So let's have a quick look. Now you can see how this is. So if I go to enhance, I can say let's do a ×4, and I can upscale. So that means the picture will go ×4. It'll be 4 times bigger than what it is, but it will all be smoothed out and a lot more detail. So it'll be exactly the same image. There we go. See how it smooths it out. So there you go. So there's a lot better. Actually now it looks like a painting, and there's a lot more clarity within that. And also if I'm using it with programs like Photoshop, it's less likely to pixelate. So back to my creations. Create. I love this text image. Let's just show you the difference between guided diffusion or clip guided diffusion and stable diffusion. So stable diffusion on my creations, I'm going to use the apocalyptic cave. So let's just copy over that. So that was done with stable diffusion. Go to my creation, create, and then I'm going to go with sinister again. So apocalyptic caves is now coherent, and this one down here was stable, and that one I upscaled this one as well. So the quality of this is amazing. And FYI, this is going to feature in a future project of mine, this particular image. My creations. Now this does it in about 4 stages, so it goes to like 34%, 75%, so from nothing, 34%, 75%, 100. So just going on to the second stage now, which is actually 43%. Then up to 85%, so you get to see the stage that it's at, and then this is the final render. So now you can see this is apocalyptic. It looks more like an acrylic painting. So if we go to enhance ×4, and let's see what the upscale does. So probably not as smoothed out as stable diffusion, so when the image gets enlarged, that's all it does. It doesn't smooth out the lines, it does just make the image bigger. So there you go, quick tutorial on NightCafe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just quickly before we go, as promised, a sweetcorn snake on stable diffusion, and that is a lot better than that.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.